Good morning, everyone. So we have two beautiful ladies with us, Shweta ma'am and Akshara ma'am. So today, Shweta ma'am, क्या कराने वाले हो आज आप हमको?
मैम बहुत सारे एनिमल्स आपने एबीसीडी पर दिखाए, तो नाउ आई वांट टू शेयर ए टू जी फोनिक्स। क्या आप
वाह।
इंटरेस्टेड है मैम फोनिक सॉन्ग देखने में?
Yes,
यस।
I
हमारे
love song.
यस, हमारे प्री प्राइमरी में पूरा इंग्लिश बेस्ड ऑन फोनिक्स है। तो स्टार्टिंग में फोनिक्स को जानना इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो उसको क्लियरली एंड करेक्टली प्रोनाउंसिएशन करने के लिए आई हैव अ लिंक। आप उससे देख सकेंगे कि हम फोनिक्स को कैसे प्रोनाउंसिएशन करते हैं। ओके मैम। अक्षरा
Okay,
मैम रेडी?
I think हमारे पेरेंट्स के लिए भी बहुत यूजफुल होगा क्योंकि पेरेंट्स को घर पे
यस
बच्चों को रिवाइज कराने में आसान हो जाएगा, तो ये बहुत पसंद करेंगे आई थिंक। और जो लोग मिस कर रहे हैं अभी शो, वो लोग बाद में ये जाके देख सकते हैं हमारे यूट्यूब लिंक में। और लाइक जरूर करिएगा हमारे इस वीडियो को। ओके,
यस मैम।
सो
या डेफिनेटली।
अक्षरा मैम, आपको आता है फोनिक्स?
मैम लिटिल बिट आई एम नॉट दैट गुड एट इट। मैं बहुत ना मिस्टेक्स करती हूँ, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू लर्न इट।
ओके, तो आज हम श्वेता
ओके,
मैम
तो
से
नाउ आई एम
phonics सीखते हैं।
यस मैम, स्टार्ट करते हैं हम फोनिक्स। ओके
ओके, यस।
ए का साउंड बताया। बोलो अक्षरा मैम, आपने ध्यान से सुना था?
यस मैम, द एज
टेल मी व्हाट इज द
अल्फाबेट
साउंड ऑफ ए?
इट सेज ए ए ए।
Yes.
यस।
Like open your mouth like that.
ए
A.
ए
A.
ए।
Alligator. It's
यस।
a
ए
A.
अक्षरा।
Sound is A. Akshara. Yes.
Alligator.
ए
A.
एलिगेटर।
Alligator.
Okay,
A.
let's move to
Ant.
ant.
B.
Okay, let's move to
Yes.
B.
Yes. Now listen carefully.
Okay, so B, ba,
ब
right, Shweta ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. B says ba ba ba
ब
ba
ब ब
ball
ब
ba
bird।
ball
ब
ba
bird।
bird ba
Okay,
Barbie doll. Okay. Now
the
next, what comes
balloon.
after B is balloon. What comes after B is
सी।
C. What is the sound of C? Sound of C is
स।
Ka.
k k
ओके।
k.
क
Okay, roll your tongue like that. Yes, k. It's
क
a cat.
क
It's a cartoon, right? K.
ओके।
Cat. It's not
Cat.
k. It's a k.
Ka.
Cat.
Cap.
It's a cartoon, right?
कार्टून। ओके।
Right. Now see what comes after C?
Da, da, da. It's the dog.
Yes, got that. Yes, you got that, Deepika ma'am.
Yeah,
D
मुझे पता लगा.
says the.
The
The
dinosaur.
dog,
द
right? Dinosaur,
डक।
doll, duck,
Dull.
right. Drum. D says the. Now what comes after D is E. Now see what is the sound of E.
ओके।
Now listen carefully.
What sound does F make? F, F.
ओके।
Yes.
E and
श्वेता
F.
मैम, आई हर्ड द साउंड ऑफ ई। ई साउंड इज ए
E sound. A.
ए
And A sound. Remember that A sound. It's
यस
a.
ए फुल
Open your
माउथ
mouth like that. Full mouth. Right.
ए।
A. And E is
यस
small. A.
E-
Elephant.
Okay.
Egg. Elephant. Egg.
Elephant.
Elbow. Right?
Elbow. Yes.
That is the difference between A and E sound. Now
Okay.
what comes after E is
F.
F,
F.
frog. F,
Right.
Yes.
Sound of F is F.
F. For
For frog.
flower.
Right. For flower. For frog. For fun. Okay. Now
Yes, it
listen
is very
carefully.
fun.
What is fish? Right. Fish.
Fish.
for
Now see what comes after F is G.
What sound does G make? What sound?
Okay. G sound.
Yes, ma'am.
G
G,
sound.
बताएं.
G. G.
Yes. Right.
G.
G.
Girl.
G says G.
Girl.
Girl. G. Goat. G.
G. Goggle.
Goggle. And G. God.
Yes. G. God.
Yes, Deepika ma'am. G. G
Goa.
says G.
Goa.
Goa. Right.
Ma'am, you're missing
Okay.
traveling, I guess.
I am
Vacations are going on.
Yes. No
Okay,
problem.
what comes after G?
What comes after G?
G.
H.
H.
H. Now see what is the sound of H?
Okay.
Sound does H make?
It's a horse.
Ha.
Yes.
Yes.
H.
Ha. Horse.
Hands.
Horse. Hands. Ha.
Horrible.
Helicopter. Horrible. Right. Ha.
A house.
Helicopter. House. Ha. Home. Ha. Hand. What is the sound of H?
A head.
Head. Right, Akshara ma'am. So what is the sound of H, ma'am?
Uh-huh.
Ha. Okay. Now next.
What sound does I make? What sound does
Yes. What is this sound?
I.
E.
E. Igloo.
India.
E. India. E. Iguana. Right?
Okay. Yes.
E. Ink pot.
And Imli
E.
also.
Imli. Yes, sir, that Imli comes in Hindi, but right, you are right. E.
Okay.
Imli as well.
That is a Hindi word. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hindi word.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,
And E. Ink pot. Okay. Igloo. Iguana.
okay.
Now what comes after I is J.
J.
Now see what is the sound of J?
what sound does K make?
J. What is the sound of J, Akshara ma'am?
J
Are you
sound.
listening
J.
carefully? Yes.
Yes.
J.
The sound
Right,
of
you are
J
listening
is
carefully.
J. J.
J. Yes. Sound of J
J.
is J.
Jug.
Jug. J. Jug. J. Jaco. Right. And what?
Jaguar.
Jaguar. Jackal. And what is
Ma'am,
what comes after J is
ma'am, I have a Jaguar car of one of my friends.
Jaguar
One of
car.
my friends have a Jaguar car. Yes.
Oh wow.
And he
It's so
loves jackal. Jackal is an animal. Yes.
wonderful.
Okay. Next alphabet after J is K.
Yes. K. So what is the sound of K? It's
Uh,
K. It's K.
K.
K. K.
K.
K. K says
Kite.
kite. Right.
Yes. Kite. K. Any more words from K?
What sound does L make?
Koala.
Koala. Yes.
Yes. Now L sound is also coming. Have you listened, ma'am?
Yes. The
What is the
L
sound
sound
of
will
L?
L. L.
Right. Lollipop.
Lion.
Lion. Yes. It's lizard.
I am
Right?
scared of lizard.
Lily. Sound of L is Now see
L.
what comes after L is
M.
M. M.
What sound does M make?
Okay. Shweta ma'am, I know the sound of M.
Sound sound of M is
Mm.
mm. Mm.
Mm.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Mm.
Mm.
Monkey. Right. Sound of M is
Mama.
mm. Mama. Right.
Yes.
Man.
Ma'am. Yes. It is very fun, ma'am. Phonics is very important.
And phonics is uh, very easy to speak. अगर आप सही से speak करते हैं तो बहुत easy है ऐसी ऐसे ही तो है बस उसको
Yes.
एक बार लर्न करेंगे हम phonics को तो हमें सब कुछ आ जाएगा मैम. Now
And
see what
Shweta
is the
ma'am,
next.
it will help
Yes
in
ma'am.
reading also. It will help in reading
Yes
also.
ma'am. That is actually for reading only ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Now see what comes after M.
What sound does O make?
Okay. After M was N.
N. What is the sound of N?
Mm.
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 Nose.
Yes.
Deepika ma'am, you know sound
It's
of
a
N? Nose. Mm.
Mm. Mm. Na. Mm.
Night.
Yeah. So let's see. Oh, ostrich. O says
Yes.
O.
O. O
O.
sound. O.
O. O sound is itself O.
O.
Ostrich. Right.
Ostrich.
Owl.
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 I
Right.
I really like the
Orange.
Orange.
okay. What's the
Orange.
after
Right.
O? O P. Okay.
Shweta ma'am,
So
I
we
don't
had
remember sound of P. Ma'am, can you tell me the sound of P? Deepika ma'am?
P. P. P.
P.
P says P. P.
Okay.
P.
Papa.
Yes. P. Papaya.
Okay. Papaya.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then you have Q.
Q.
P. Q.
P.
Q. And then
Q.
R.
Rain. Our sound
Rabbit.
was rabbit. Rain.
Then comes S.
Yes.
Snake.
S sound. S. S sound was like snake, ma'am. Snake.
Yes. So let us see the video again.
Okay.
What sound does T make? Tut tut tut. What sound does U make?
What is the sound of you, Akshara?
Umbrella.
Yes.
Umbrella. Up.
Okay, let's move on. Sound for V.
We missed one sound.
Make
Vulture.
Yes. V says vulture. And ma'am, we missed one sound of T. T says
Tomato.
T. Tomato. Yes. T tomato. And V says vulture. Van. Okay, let's move to next.
W make What's
W.
W. Watch. Watch.
Walrus.
Watermelon.
What?
Yes.
Okay, let's see X.
sound does X make?
X is
Yes.
Asya?
Yes, ma'am. We
Okay,
speak words now. Box, fox. It says fox,
Okay.
box, like this. Xmas tree. Yeah,
Yes.
yeast. And Z says zebra.
Aksha ma'am, Deepika ma'am, because of my internet connection, I was disconnected and I am watching कि आपने पूरा Z तक complete करने वाले हैं.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
great.
Yes, we completed. The words
Yes, it
were
was amazing.
the letters were so good, and the zoo phonic zoo was amazing. It was nice, and we have learned the new phonic sounds, and we will
Now
Okay,
I
so
can read.
you got that? Z says Z.
the
Zigzag.
Yeah. Dear children, you also see this link again and again and learn phonics from here only. Okay? Okay. Enjoy your day and have a nice day. Okay, Deepika ma'am and Akshara ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
yes,
Very good.
it
It
was
was
nice.
a great session. Yes, and phonics are very important. Okay? So learn it from here only, not in another channel. Okay? Learn it from
Yes.
our Dolphins Schools channel. A to
Yes.
Z phonics. Here only. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
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 Everyone, today's class of Masti Ki Pathshala from Khan Academy Kids, we are going to talk about alphabets, vowels, and consonants. So here we go.
These are all the letters of the alphabet. But only 5 letters in the alphabet are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Good work. All of the other letters are consonants.
Okay, so in this video we learned that we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants, and we have total 26 letters. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and rest other are our consonants. And each vowel sounds have a long sound and a short sound. So let's learn A, E, I, O, U, the long sound and the short sound.
Remember vowels? The letter A is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short A sound, like an apple. Or it can make the long A sound, like an ape.
Ape.
An ape eating an apple.
So we have two sounds for vowel A, short sound and long sound. Apple is a short A. Ape, long A. Alligator. You have to decide whether alligator A is long or short. Astronaut. Akron. So speak yourself and decide. Thank you. We are moving to next letter, the next vowel, that's E.
The letter E is a vowel. It can make the short E sound like an egg. Or it can make the long E sound like an eel. An eel painting an egg. Now it's my turn.
So again we have understood that we have two sounds for E, the short E as an egg and a long E as an eel. Now you yourself decide what sound we have in elephant and electric bulb and emotions. Thank you. Let's move to next vowel, that is I.
The letter I is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short I sound, like in the word insect, one of my favorite things. Or it can make the long I sound, like an ice cream. An insect eating an ice cream.
Oh, that's so cute. A ladybug eating an ice cream. So it was a small insect called ladybug having the red body. So we learned we have a short I as an insect and a long I as an ice cream. Now it is for you to decide what sound we have in India. Indonesia. Income tax. Okay, here we go and we learn vowel O.
The letter O is a vowel. It can make the short ah sound like an octopus. Or it can make the long O sound like an ocean. An octopus swims in the ocean. But I swim in the pool.
Okay, so we have a short O as an octopus and a long O as an ocean. So you have to decide which sound we have in owl, in ostrich, and again in our friend otter. And now we go for our last vowel, that's U.
The letter U is a vowel fit for a princess. It can make the short U sound, like in the word underwear. Or it can make the long U sound, like in unicorn and flute. A unicorn in underwear playing the flute.
Unicorn in underwear playing a flute. A nice sentence. So kids, now you know you have a short U and a long U. Long U in unicorn, short U in underwear. Find out for yourself the sound of umbrella, whether you have a short U and or a long U. Thank you for watching it. And now I will just sum up. We have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and we have 21 consonants apart from all these 5 vowels. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We will be back.